Hello, this is Daniel Rudzik, and this is my T-Rex battery tester for the Makecourse. Here is my control system, the photodiodes there, 2 servo motors connected, Arduino, SD card module AA, T-Rex roar, and 2 RGB LEDs. The purpose of the servo motors is to lift the top of the T-Rex skull. The photodiode senses the battery in place to send the top of the T-Rex skull down. The speaker plays the sound file sent from the SD card module, and the RGB LEDs go from red to green when the batteries are found to be good. As you can see right here, this is my current 3D simulation of my T-Rex battery tester. Just for the purpose of the demonstration, I just put a servo motor on the left side of it. So, right here you can see the speaker holder where you put the speaker. I recommend using some electrical tape on the inside of it to hold it in place, or an adhesive, whichever you wish. Also is the servo motor. Yeah, right there. Right here are the 2 RGB LED sockets where you'll put those in. And also is the other bracket for where you'll put the other servo motor. This is where you will want to connect the Loctite 401 or epoxy to connect the servo horns to the top part of the T-Rex skull. And back here is the box, and you can see an indentation for the back plate. And right there on the bottom is where the copper contact will go, and there are also sockets for the red LED on the left side and the photocell on the right side. And on the top there's also another contact pen you can see, and you'll see better with the STL and step files. So just put all your components in here and you'll be good to go. Also right here is the fritzing diagram, so you can get an even better understanding of how everything's connected. So the AA battery is actually hooked up to the analog input where it's actually red, and that sends an if statement to the Arduino to tell the red RGB LEDs to turn green when the battery is found to have a high charge. The speaker also is affected by the if statement because it'll then play a noise if the if statement is also found to give a good readout for the AA's. Right here are the photo cell and the standard LED, which will use a voltage difference to determine when you have a finger covering the photocell or when the battery is blocking the light from it. So that triggers the servo motors to then send the top of the T-Rex skull down to test the battery. And then after that, it's just a matter of you lifting the top of the T-Rex skull up to get your battery out once it's found to either be a good or a bad battery.
This is my Arduino battery tester in action. As you can see, on the left and right sides are my SG90 servo motors that are used to take the top of the T-Rex skull and move it down to make contact with the battery. So the battery tester it has copper contacts on the top and bottom for the AA battery to make contact to. So without further ado, I'll show you just how it works. Plugged in. Trigger the sensor. Now we see the green LEDs go off, signifying that it's good. And just for another fun throw-in, when you go to take your AA battery out of the tester, like so, you hear the T-Rex roar, which is actually a fun soundbite from Jurassic Park, one of my favorite movies. So, hope you like my project. It was a lot of fun to work on. And let me know what you think in the comments on this Instructable. Thank you.